In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Stockx. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to placing your order, with clear tips to help you feel confident at every step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Stockx. You can type the name into a search engine or enter the official domain directly if you know it. Before you proceed, make sure you're on the legitimate website. Look for a secure connection in your address bar and confirm the domain is correct to avoid copycat sites. From the search results, click the correct link to the official Stockx homepage. Be mindful that ads can appear at the top, so double-check the URL you're about to open. Once you're on the site, click Sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Follow the prompts to enter your credentials. If you're creating an account, use a strong password and keep your login details secure. After you're signed in, you're ready to shop. Browse or search for the product you want. You can use categories, filters, or the search bar to quickly find a specific model. Open the product page to review details like photos, condition notes, release information, and market data such as recent sale prices. Stockx authenticates items before they reach you, so take a moment to read the product description and make sure it matches what you want. When you're ready, decide whether to make offer or buy now. Buy now purchases immediately at the current lowest ask, which is typically the fastest route. Make offer lets you set your price and wait for a seller to accept, which can save money but may take longer. Check estimated fees so you understand your total cost with either option. If the item has variations, select the exact size, color, or specifications you need, then click Next. Double-check your selection, especially for size-specific products, before moving forward. Add your shipping address and click Save Shipping. Enter your full name, street address, apartment or suite number if applicable, city, state, postal code, and a reliable contact detail. Carefully review for typos to avoid delivery issues. Choose your payment method. Select from the available options and complete any required verification. Be aware there may be a temporary authorization hold when you place the order. Click Review Order to confirm every detail: the item, selected variation, price, fees, shipping, taxes, delivery address, and payment method. Make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Place Order. If you chose Buy Now, your purchase is confirmed and the seller will ship to Stockx for authentication before it's sent to you. If you made an offer, you'll be notified when a seller accepts, and the process will continue from there. And that's how you buy on Stockx with confidence.